This is like the football field, and this like we're gonna make like some little posters. I made a dog right here.
Oh, that's cool. Just gonna say, we love your mom. Oh, I love that. Super smart. They are thinking on a totally different level right now, thanks to the program. Allows them to think about things that they wouldn't think about, neighborhood, how it looks, how it's designed. So it really just broadened their, mindset.
We think it's part of our charge to go to these schools, go to these areas, these populations, and introduce students to architecture and design.
Children know who they can be by what they see. So when we bring architecture into our space, into our children, they're able to see that they can create these things.
This gives students a great opportunity to learn the real life experience of an architect and all the different types of career paths that they could get into.
Not just career paths, but vocabulary that we've been using in our everyday lessons. It's changed the whole dynamic of my class in such a positive way. They know when our architects are coming in, they are geared up, they're ready to go. They're running back from recess every day because they're ready to start these projects.
Getting a general sense for how design works and how things are thought through, and that really anyone can be part of the design process and have their opinions heard and influence how the world around us is shaped.
Historically, there's an underrepresentation of minorities in the kind of discipline of architecture. We could begin to understand what a pipeline looks like for diversifying and increasing representation within discourse.
And I think it's helpful to just get a sense of context where we are and the people who have access and don't have access to design education sometimes.
This is a real opportunity to engage. That's why I would encourage firms to consider joining this program to better, again, our profession and the people that we're touching in general. If we really are concerned about how effective we are as a profession in all of the communities that we're in, we need to touch those communities in some way.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Johnson. I'm the Executive Director of AIA Philadelphia and the Center for Architecture and Design.
The Center for Architecture and Design is committed to providing access to design education for every student in Philadelphia. We need designers from every background, every perspective to really help us solve some of the most pressing problems facing our city and our region. I hope that our firms, colleagues, community can really see this as an opportunity to inspire the next generation of designers.